Cuba. Location: Cuba is an island country located in the northern Caribbean Sea, about 90 miles (145 kilometers) south of Florida. It is the largest island in the Caribbean and is situated between the Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean. Capital: the capital city of Cuba is Havana, which is also the largest city in the country. Havana is known for its colorful colonial architecture, vibrant culture, and historic landmarks. Population: Cuba has a population of approximately 11 million people, making it the most populous island nation in the Caribbean. The population is predominantly of mixed Spanish and African descent, with smaller communities of European, Chinese, and other ethnicities. Official language: the official language of Cuba is Spanish. It is spoken by the vast majority of the population and is used in government, education, and media. Government: Cuba is a socialist republic with a single-party system. The Communist Party of Cuba is the only legal political party, and the government is led by the President of the Council of State and Ministers. Independence: Cuba gained independence from Spain in 1898 following the Spanish-American War. However, it remained under the influence of the United States for much of the 20th century before the Cuban Revolution led by Fidel Castro in 1959. Geography: Cuba is characterized by diverse geography, including fertile plains, rugged mountains, and stunning coastlines. The island is home to several mountain ranges, including the Sierra Maestra and the Sierra del Rosario, as well as numerous rivers and caves. Economy: Cuba has a state-controlled economy with key sectors including tourism, agriculture, healthcare, and biotechnology. The country faces economic challenges, including trade restrictions and reliance on imports for many goods. Currency: the official currency of Cuba is the Cuban peso, CUP, and the convertible peso, CUC. The CUC is pegged to the US dollar and is used primarily by tourists, while the CUP is used by locals for everyday transactions. Culture: Cuban culture is a vibrant blend of African, Spanish, and Caribbean influences. It is known for its music, dance, art, and literature, with genres such as salsa, mambo, and son originating from the island. Religion: the majority of Cubans are nominally Roman Catholic, with Afro-Cuban religions such as Santeria and Palo Monte also practiced by a significant portion of the population. Religious freedom is guaranteed by the Cuban Constitution. Languages: Spanish is the official language of Cuba and is spoken by the majority of the population. English and other languages are also spoken in tourist areas and by professionals in certain industries. Tourism: Tourism is an important industry in Cuba, with visitors attracted to the country's beautiful beaches, historic cities, and cultural heritage. Popular tourist destinations include Havana, Varadero, Trinidad, and Vinales. Environmental conservation: Cuba has made efforts to protect its natural environment, including establishing national parks, marine reserves, and biosphere reserves. The country is known for its biodiversity and ecotourism opportunities. International relations: Cuba maintains diplomatic relations with countries around the world and is a member of various international organizations, including the United Nations and the Non-Aligned Movement. The country has historically had strained relations with the United States but has sought to improve diplomatic ties in recent years. Cuba, with its rich history, diverse culture, and natural beauty, is a fascinating destination for travelers seeking to explore the Caribbean. From its vibrant cities to its pristine beaches and lush countryside, Cuba offers visitors a unique and memorable experience.